How to fix skate crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game and open up the properties window, and then under launch options you want to type dash or hyphen D3 D11, and if this does not work you can try DX11. Now go to installed files. So if you click on property you should find installed files directory, and then click on verify integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish up. And once this is done you want to close Steam and then open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA it's NVIDIA app, and then make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once you finish installing this, you'll need to also check if you have the redistributables installed. So if you right click on the start button and click on apps and features or installed apps, it should open up this window, and then you should look for redist and make sure you have the latest ones, which is this one right here, 2022 version. And if you don't have them installed, you can open up your browser and simply search for redist and click on the first link, then scroll down to this table and make sure to download the 86 version and the 64 and install both of them. Now once you finish installing them, you should basically restart your computer and open up Steam again, and then just launch the game, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.